Welcome to episode 1 of Wrong, Not Wrong, your guide to fixing common spoken English mistakes and speaking confidently. Don't just watch, repeat with me and practice your spoken English. What you'll learn today. She did a mistake. She made a mistake. Wrong, not wrong. Episode 1, example. She did a mistake. She made a mistake. Rule. Use make with mistake. Never do if you want. You can also share one English mistake you often make, and I'll cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching episode 1 of Wrong, Not Wrong. If you learned something new, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel. We'll have new episodes every week with more common English mistakes and corrections. See you in episode 2.